Class 7 we were doing narration. Yes. Then do on rough. Afterwards, I'll talk about that. First of all, concentrate upon the classwork. Now we were doing narration. We have done the first part when the question starts with question words. Which question words? What, where, when, who, whose, whom, how. And in that, what we are not using any conjunction. We are not using that, and we are also not using any type of conjunction. Said to is changed to asked or inquired. So in the line of this, we are having next example. He said, what is the matter? Yes. He said, yes. What is the matter? Yes, beta. Go with that girl. Yes, what is the matter? Who will speak the answer? Who will give the answer? First of all, said will change into asked. He asked. Yes. He asked. What? What the matter was? Yes. He asked what the matter was, and at the end, full stop. Okay, write down the answer side by side. You are not writing. Write down side by side. Ah, yes, question mark, but you in the answer. Write down next. I said to him, have you? I said to him, have you a spare pen? Have you a spare pen? I said to him, have you a spare pen? Yes, among girls. Who will give the answer? Extra pen. Yes, girls. I said to him, have you a spare pen? Who will give the answer to me? Extra pen. Yes, Navya. Nitya. Right, Nitya, first of all. Sorry, 1 minute. Don't write down this example. If you have written, let me tell you the answer. It is of the other type that I am going to tell you. I asked him here if will be used. In the next part, I will tell if he had a spare pen. This we haven't done yet. Okay. Write down the answer only. If he had a spare pen. Okay. I asked him if he had a spare pen. Sit down, Nitya, please. He said, where I am, he said, where I am supposed to go now. He said, where I am supposed to go now. Yes. Answer. Where I am supposed to go now. Then he asked that, Nivita. He asked where he was supposed Very good. The great answer. He asked where I was supposed to go. Now we'll change into then. Huh? Where I, huh? He said where he was, sorry. Where I will change into he. Where he was supposed to go then. Asked आएगा ना? It will be asked. He asked where he was supposed to go. Now we'll change into then. Speak all. Now we'll change into then. So clear these types? Now, next we have another category. Right at the top, the heading type 2. Write the heading top type 2. Now, beta, listen. Suppose I ask you, like this example I have given, or the simple example I asked, for example, the teacher said, have you completed your work? 1 minute, stop. So here in this case, what answer you will give? I ask, if suppose any child, suppose Pawan stand up, I ask you, have you completed your work? What you will give the answer? Yes. Or you will say no. Right? It means that these are the questions which expect an answer in yes or no. First of all, what you will do, you will read the question. You will see whether it is expecting answer in yes or no. If it is expecting answer in yes or no, then in place of comma and inverted commas, what you will use? If or whether. What you will do? You will use if or whether. Rest all the rules asked and change of tenses and pronouns is same. Okay, so this is our next type. Write down. If a question is, or if a question begins with if a question begins with is, are, has, have, had. Okay, write down please. If a question begins with all these, do, does, did also. Do, does, did, do. Or if a question starts with modal auxiliaries. What are modal auxiliaries? Can, could, may, might, shall, should. Okay, with modal auxiliary, for example, can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, would. Okay. Then what we use? We use conjunction if for whether. What we use conjunction? If for whether. What we use then? We use conjunction if for whether. And note one thing to remember, they all expect, or these questions expect answer in yes or no. And what will be the condition that all these questions they will expect answer in yes or no. Okay. So first of all, what you will see that I'm moving aside. You can note it down that when you see a question, you will see how it starts, right? If it is starting with modal auxiliary or any helping verb or finite verb, for example, is, am, are, has, have, had, do, does, did, or with modal auxiliary, that is can, could, may, might, shall, will, should, would, and they expect answer in yes or no, then what is there? Then you will use the conjunction if or whether. So this is clear? The rule is clear to you? So now speak the rule in collective mode. Speak all. So it means, stop now. It means that if a question starts with finite verb, which are finite verbs, is, am, are, do, does, did. Or if a question starts with modal auxiliary, which are modal auxiliaries? Now in those cases, what we will use? We will use if or whether. What we will use? If or whether. And moreover, these will expect answer in yes or no. Okay? These will expect answer in yes or no. Now let us write down some examples. First is, you stand up. Stand up, please. Come on this side, please. Now they won't. Yes. He said to me, is your father at home? He said to me, is your father at home? Stand up, you now. Stand up. How we will change it? Is your father at home? He said to me, is your father at home? Yes, speak the answer. Thank you. Yes, Bhavya. If your father. Yes. So how it will be changed? First of all, said to will change into first of all asked. Write down. Inquired is also right. Write down. He asked me. Okay. He asked me, what is your father at home? And your will change into me. My. Okay. If or use if or whether according to your choice. You can use anything. Whether my father was at home at that time, full stop. Okay, right? So now see here. Is your father at home? What kind of answer it is expecting? Yes.
Yes
Or no?
or no.
So we are using if for whether.
Whether.
So what we are doing? We are using if for
Whether.
Then what will be the answer? He asked me whether my father
was at home.
is will change into was.
Was.
Because simple present will change into
Simple past tense.
simple past tense. Write down next. I said to her, I said to her, do you know how to play hockey? How to play? Do you know how to play hockey? Okay, Kanik, stand up. Good. Very good. Yes. Very good. I asked her. This will be replaced by if or whether. Whether.
Did you know?
Whether she knew. Because interrogative will change into assertive mood. If she knew how to
Play.
if she knew how to play hockey. So what will be the answer? I that nahi lagana.
I asked her whether she knew how to play hockey.
Very good. I asked her whether she knew how to play hockey. Yes, right. If she knew how, sit down please, how to play hockey. His new employer said, have you done this type of work? His new employer said, have you done this sort of or this type of work? Now, beta, stand up. He will tell me. Yes. How we will change this? Have you done? Have you done this type of work? Yes. Thank you. You are not stop. You are not paying attention. What's your name? Huh? Aditya. Aditya, tomorrow I will ask you the rules of narration with examples. And at home you will learn. No, let me ask from that. Yes, beta, you stand up. What's your name? The boy with green mask. Gaurav, stand up. Yes, Gaurav, speak the answer. Third one.
Have you done this type of work?
Yes, Sanket. Just see. Sanket, just see. Let me, 1 minute. Let me tell you the easiest way to do. First of all, you know what is the answer of this part. Write it down. His new employer asked. Okay, right? Itna kar liya aapne. Then see this question. Have you done this type of work? It is expecting answer in yes or no?
Yes or no?
Okay. So then what you will use here? If or whether. अब हमारा sentence कितना बन गया? The new employer asked if. Okay. Now, according to rules, this is perfect, simple perfect, present perfect. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Now change into past perfect. This you will do. Sit down. Yes. Huh? Sit down. Speak the answer. His new employer asked, then no, wrong. Last girl. Very good. If we आ सकता है, if his new employer asks, see, have you done this work? It means if he had done this type of work. If he had done this type of work. Beta, you were saying आप आंसर बोल रहे थे. It means you were disturbing her. She was right. Then आपने मेरे को क्यों नहीं बताया फिर आंसर? If you knew. Because you don't know. Sit down. Don't tell a lie, please. Yes, this will change into that. If he had done that type of work. Sit down, please. Don't stand. Then you can ask me. Sit down, please. The mother said to the cook, is the dinner ready? Is the dinner ready? The mother said to the cook, is the dinner ready? The mother asked the cook if the dinner was ready. Very good. Yes, this was simple. The mother asked the cook if the dinner was ready. If the dinner was ready. There one desk behind. Next one is said, did you notice the change? The young man said, did you notice the change? Now stand up. Bhavesh. Yes, Bhavesh will tell me. Very good. This part is absolutely correct. The young man asked, आप चुप कर उसको बोलने दो. Yes. The young man asked, 1 minute. Whether did means simple past, change into past perfect. Whether very good. Whether he had noticed the change. Sit down, Nitya. So what will be the answer? The young man asked whether he had noticed the change. Whether he had noticed the change. Now, we will do the miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means mixed type. Mixed type means which we have done type 1 and type 2. अब मैं दोनों के mix दूंगी. Mixer. He said to me, you will do, I'm writing the sentences, you will write 6 leave space. Then I will ask the answers. First is, he said to me, where do you live? Can I come to first seat? Next. Should I start to cook the food? And then number 9 and 10. I said to him, whose car did you borrow? Last night. And write down the last one. Right? So these are the 5 sentences which I have given and you have to note it down.